Someone's washed his car and give it a little tire polish and this and that.
Yo, it's splashy.
Yeah,
The water.
we're back to this fucking Camry again. To the catch can again. Because... oh fuck, almost died.
Holy shit, you just died.
Shit.
Almost died.
Look at that. Big one.
He also wants to wire my halos.
Yeah, which
I don't want to do
has
because I'm way too lazy.
This car has got new headlights since like freaking 2 years now, and he hasn't even wired them. It's gonna take like maybe 15, 20 minutes.
It's gonna take 2 hours to do.
And we're back to that thing again to check if there's any oil, if it's functioning.
Yeah. So
or not.
I drove about 1,000 kilometers already, and like it feels like it got some. Yeah, it feels like it got a decent amount. I'm gonna put the dipstick, see if the dipstick has anything. Let's see. So it's a little wet.
Oh,
there is oil on it though.
that oil, water.
Both. It has oil and water on it. Let's just take it off and find out. Now my question is what do we do with the extra oil?
Same thing what we usually do. Put it in a container and dump it out. Or we usually give. It's the same thing as changing an oil.
Yeah. We're gonna unscrew it, and I feel oil in it.
Hopefully it is. If it's water, we got a problem.
Well, it wouldn't be water unless it is. And God forbid. Holy shit, dude! It feels like a lot.
Actually?
Unless this thing is just heavy, but it feels like a lot.
It was heavy last time though.
Yeah, but this feels like a lot. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Look at that.
Bring it up.
Look at that. That's fucking awesome.
So we know that's been working.
Yeah. That's like, what, 1/4 of it?
Yeah. Quarter of it.
Quarter of it full?
Yeah.
It's not bad.
So that means it is functioning. However, there's something that's
bothering us.
We need to tell you, yeah, is
show them the hose, because the hose is the problem, kind of. It's kind of rubbing against my engine cover, and it's creating a little gash, which might get bigger with time, but I don't know about that. It is
what it is for now. So no, not in there. What are you doing? So we decided to do a friendly dump into one of the containers, or basically we had a empty oil can for the oil container thing, and we dumped it in there, as you can see.
No more. Now we're just gonna screw it back on. So it's a little fucking weird.
Simple steps, just screw it back on. It has the grooves and stuff.
It's weird though, because it feels like it's counterclockwise for tight,
yeah,
clockwise for loosen, and usually it's the opposite. But on this guy, I think it's just...
However, I don't think you have to check. Just keep a check, or check it with the
dipstick it gives you.
Dipstick after every 1,000 kilometers. You don't have to open the oil catch can and check it over and over again. But we just did it because we used it for the first time, just to see how much oil we're saving from going into the intake.
So overall, the hoses are all holding up pretty good. The bracket back there also holding up pretty good. Doesn't seem as if it's gotten loose or anything. Everything's nice and tight, the clamps. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. We did get some oil out of it, and that's just kind of saving the life of the car a little bit. So overall, I say a good $50 spent, because it's pretty quick, easy install. And yeah, that's about it. TJ's chugging his beer.
No, brisk.
Oh, okay.